And the Supreme Court, in an unsigned emergency ruling, lifted the injunction that had been holding back a deluge of federal government layoffs pursued under DOJ. The initial injunction was put in place while the case played out in court, accusing DOJ of making significant changes and layoffs without seeking approval from Congress. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, who has regularly become the voice of reason on the court, was the sole public dissenting voice on the decision, accusing the justices of a, quote, demonstrated enthusiasm for greenlighting this president's legally dubious actions in an emergency posture, and warning, quote, this executive action promises mass employee terminations, widespread cancellation of federal programs and services, and the dismantling of much of the federal government as Congress has created it. This new ruling means that even though a case is actively moving through the court to determine the legality of these firings, the government can move forward with laying off tens of thousands of employees, who would then be called back into work if it is later determined that the layoffs were illegal. And this creates greater chaos in the federal government. It wastes taxpayer money because this shit gets messy, and it creates waste, fraud, and abuse.